stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard race to fall. And what did you see, my beloved son? And what did you see, my darling young one? Saw a newborn babe with wild wolves all around it. I saw a black branch with blood that came dripping. Saw a room full of men with their hammers and bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard race to fall. And what did you hear, my beloved son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? Heard the sound of thunder that rolled out a warning. Heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were ablazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. I heard one person starve, many people laughing. Heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. Heard the song of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard race to fall. And who did you meet, my beloved son? And who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman, her body was burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. Met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard race to fall. And what will you do now, my beloved son? And what will you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out for the rain starts a falling. I'll walk to the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people hungry and lands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding their waters, where the home in the valley meets the damn dirty prison, and the executioner's face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, where black is the color and none is the number. And I'll tell it and speak it and think it and breathe it and reflect from the mountains so all souls can see it. And I'll stand on the ocean before I start sinking, and I'll know my song well before It's a hard